Welcome to this tutorial. How to add another column to the Windows Start menu. Are you struggling with the default layout of your Windows 10 Start menu? Do you want to add another column to fit more apps and shortcuts? Let's get started. Right-click on an empty area of the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click on Start from the left-hand menu. Toggle on the option that says Show More Tiles on Start. Open the Start menu to check if the new column has been added. Another method to add a column is by increasing the tile grouping. Open the Start menu and right-click on an empty space within the tile section. Select Resize and choose a larger tile size for apps to make use of the additional column space. Drag and reposition tiles to align them properly within the new column space. If you want to make further customizations, you can enable even more tile space. Open Settings from the Start menu. Go to Personalization and click on Start from the sidebar. Toggle on the Use Start Full Screen option to expand the Start menu fully. That's it. You've successfully added another column to your Windows 10 Start menu. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.